right, back there?
Yeah, I had to wait on that car and the bike lane, you know.
How about if you jump over? Follow me. Go over right now. It's clear. Come on over. We're gonna get now over here in this lane. You scoot over on the left side. Scoot over on this left lane. Actually, if we get in front of this guy here, no, we're gonna go all the way down. We're actually gonna get up into the bike lane and then up on the sidewalk, as long as we can get in front of him. And he's probably gonna be real slow, so we should be able to. Cross over into the left lane. Cross over, Emma, cross over. Come on over. There you go. Get up on the sidewalk. No, keep going, keep going. With that guy there, we'll just stay right here for a moment. Yep, go ahead. All right, let me get in front of you. Is your camera on?
What camera? You were gonna pass me that?
Oh, sorry. That's right. That's right. Sorry. Let's just stop and do that then. I just looked up and saw your harness and I don't know, forgot that you didn't have one.
Yeah.
Is it on? Yeah, it's already on.
Oh, recording everything? Yeah.
Yep.
So I can stick it on here and get some regular information. I can't.
Yeah.
I'll probably have to use my left hand because I don't have
All right, just pick it up every once in a while if you can to get away from this a little bit, and then maybe stop. We'll stop in a couple of spots so you can just get me driving by or whatever. Simple stuff, nothing too complicated today. Oh no, don't do that. All right, how about you slip on up in front of me, and that way you can get me as I'm driving by or something. Up there a little ways.
Alright, so you want me to get off and get you as you're driving by?
Or you can just stand there, I don't care. Whichever works for you.
I seriously almost went down back there.
Seriously, please don't. Okay, I got a little close. I'm gonna go down here and turn around.
Alright. I don't even know what happened. Actually, I do know what happened. My stupid pedal was a little bit too high and it started like going too fast, which made back forward.
Oh, and you pedaled and it shot out?
But I drove through the grass, but when
Here I
I
come.
went and hit the...
Yeah.
My tire kind of got caught between the grass and the sidewalk and...
Yep.
It did the little death wobble thing.
Oh no.
I almost ate it.
Oh, I'm glad you didn't. Let's do a, oh, here's a spot for pictures maybe. Get a little footage of me hanging out here and then taking off. So maybe hop off and... Cool, ready?
yeah, pull your pant leg down.
Thank you. Looking. Gonna take off. All right, that should be good. Want to grab a couple pictures while we're right here? Grab a couple pictures of your bike. Put it up here against the rail or something. Maybe, you know, maybe lean it on the rail so it's not on its kickstand. We just kind of lean it over like it's... if it's gonna do it. Take off the helmet real quick, I'll hold it. Take off your camera. Drop it in here. Stand next to the bike. Oh, careful with the ants.
Yeah, I noticed that. They're everywhere.
Oh, well, thanks for letting me know. I noticed the ants, Daddy, but I didn't tell you. Oh, look.
Nice. That actually looks really nice. Probably should have turned off the camera for all that, but it's fine.
That's all right. Make sure there's no ants in your helmet.
Yeah. I'm sure that's fine.
Let's go to the little park over here. We can probably find some nice places to get some photos there. There's not too many people around. And then we'll call it good. It's okay, I'm coming.
So go ahead of me a little.
There, just a short distance, and then get a low shot and bring it up as I come by. So you see the pasture behind me and all that stuff.
Okay.
Ants.
I don't see him. Good right here.
All right, here I come. Slow my speed down a little bit.
Alright, well, I don't know if that works the way you envisioned it, but it did something.
All right, we'll see.
I'm coming.
This guy's letting us go through, so.
Okay.
Slow down just a little bit. Right past me as slow as you can.
Oh.
No, that's fine. Keep coming.
I didn't.
Yeah, that's a good action shot right there. Really good.
The sun is in the background. We'll see how that works out.
Yeah. Actually, go back there like you're handling it again. I didn't snap the photo yet. I was working on the lighting. Yeah, that's fine right there. Okay. Maybe like I was, stand in front of it and. Perfect. It is stinking hot. Tell me when you're ready. Yeah. All right. We're actually getting some really good photos of that.
Huh?
We're actually getting some really good photos of that. I should get a couple of this one. They didn't ask for it, but I probably should. Let me grab a couple of this.
Especially against the white fence.
Yeah, it's nice color and. Actually, I think we're probably good on photos. We didn't have to give them a specific number, so we got some really good ones, so they'll be happy with what we have. I need to do this video, do you want to go hang out at the park for a minute where it's shaded and get some water?
Sure.
And I'll ride past. I might ride into the park, and then I'll come get you and we'll ride back. Can I have my camera? Well, I'm gonna get going. I'll just meet you at the park somewhere. Oh, and you may want to turn your helmet off. Turn your helmet off so I'm not getting all that noise on the camera. Hey guys, Richard here. Hey, I'm out for a ride this morning. It really does. Guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions. I'll see you in another video real soon.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, good. I think we're done.